Hey, Mr. and Mrs. Carnes. My name is Zach. I own a marketing company named 6x6 Media out of Paris, Texas. I spoke on the phone with Fallon earlier and told her I was going to be shooting this video and sending it over for y'all to watch. This video is essentially going to dissect the three-step plan that I'm going to give you today to kind of help you get moving in the right direction. As far as this three-step plan goes, you can either get with me after you take a look at it and we can chat some more about it, or you can actually take these 3 steps that I'm going to give you. You can go implement them yourselves. It's totally up to you. I don't mind. I just like to have the opportunity to help out local businesses. The way that I came across y'all, I was looking through the Waco area for a couple different local businesses and good niches that I could help out. And I actually jumped across y'all's website and got to looking through it and got to your About page, and I really saw what both of you are all about as far as using this business to kind of kickstart some mission work that y'all have been doing. And I would like to be involved with a company that has that moral compass, for lack of better words. But anyway, I think it'd be a privilege to work with y'all just because of the type of people it seems that you are. Y'all seem like really, really good, down to earth people. But that being said, I want to jump straight into it. I don't want to waste any more of y'all's time. I know you're busy. And get into these 3 things I think I could help you with. Number 1 is going to be content. So Google considers anything on your homepage that can be highlighted as content. So you can see all this is considered content for y'all. They like to see at least 1,500 words worth of content that is dense in keywords that pertain to your industry and location. So with that being said, I'm going to go over to this tool that I have called SEO Quake, which did a website analysis for y'all's website page. Y'all are at about 1,200 words right now, which is getting close to that 1,500 word mark, but you still have a little work to do. I did a Google search for landscaping Waco, Texas. This is actually how I ran across y'all. And in the number 1 spot, we have Landscape Waco. We're going to go take a look at their website. And Google's actually done studies to show that majority of people click on that number 1 spot instead of scrolling down, which y'all are in position 5 right now. So it's good to be on the front page, but you're still not getting near as much traffic as what your competition is here at Picture Perfect. You're just going to kind of dissect their website, see what they're doing to get in that first place spot and how we can overtake them. SEO Quake, they're going on 4,700 words, so there's a lot of catching up to do there, but it can be done. That being said, I'm going to go take a look at keywords and traffic. So for y'all's website, y'all are bringing in 48 organic traffic a month to your webpage, while they're bringing in 133 traffic. So they're getting about 3 times as many people clicking on their website just by being in that first place spot. And I know not every person visiting a website is going to turn into a client, but let's say even 20% of them do. That's an extra 26 people that are, turning into a client for them every month. And now I want to take a look at keywords. So as far as keywords go, you want to rank for organic keywords, because whenever someone doesn't know who they're going to use for a service, they're going to type in something generic, and something generic would be like landscaping Waco, Texas, like what I typed in. So right here, landscaping Waco, Texas, y'all are ranking number 7 for that right now. Waco landscaping, number 4. So you want to be in that number 1. You want to be in that number 1 spot to pull in all that traffic. Whereas over here, let's take a look at their keywords. It'll pull up here, it's been a little slow. Landscaping Waco, you see they're ranking number 1. Waco landscaping number 1. All these generic keywords, they're ranking number 1. That's what's drawing all that traffic in for them every month and getting them new clients. The next thing I want to jump into is called citations in the Google Map Pack. So this is the Google Map Pack right here, and y'all are actually already in the Google Map Pack, which is a good thing. That means you have a good citation foundation. Essentially, what makes up a citation is your name, address, and phone number being put into a bunch of different indexes such as Yelp, Yellow Pages, Facebook, YouTube, so on and so forth. So we would need to put in some more citations. You want to be at about 200 to 300 citations in order to get that number 1 spot. Like I said, y'all are already doing good in this field right now, and we could do a little bit more GMB optimization, which I could talk to you about that at a later date. And that'd get you to that number 1 spot. If you're at number 1 in the Google Map Pack and number 1 right here, you're getting double visibility, and people are way more likely to click on your home page and visit you and turn into a client. The third thing I want to talk about are backlinks. So a backlink is essentially where you have one website, we'll call website A, pointing to another website, which we'll refer to as website B. So by there being a link on website A going to website B, that shows Google that website B has more authority whenever it comes to the parent topic that website A is talking about. So that it turns into a popularity contest. Essentially, the more high quality backlinks that a website has, the more authority they have from Google, and the easier it is for them to rank number one. I'm going to take a look at the backlink profile for both your company and your competitor. So right here, we're going to look at trust flow and citation flow. So this is how many backlinks you have, but this is how trustworthy they are. And a zero trust flow is not good. This ratio really needs to be 1-to-1. So you really want, ideally, you want to be 25-25. And over here, their ratio isn't close to 1-to-1, but they have a much higher trust flow with a little bit higher citation flow than you do. So Google's giving them all the authority in y'all's area. And this is why I think it would be pretty easy to overtake that number one spot, because while they are in the first place, they're not doing a whole lot of things to just really optimize their website, and it would be easy to kick them out of that number one spot. That being said, I just kind of want to touch on the three things that we talked about today. So number one was content. You want 1,500 words that are dense in keywords. Number two were citations. You want 200 to 300 citations so you can rank number one in that Google Map Pack and also optimize your Google My Business. Number three were backlinks. You want to have a good, strong backlink profile so you win that popularity contest and have more authority from Google, showing that you are the big dog in the area. With that being said, if you like what you heard today, just feel free to reach out to me. Once again, my name is Zach. My phone number is 903-715-7876. I hope y'all have a great day, and I look forward to hearing from you. Thanks. Bye.